Here we have the Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So this is one of those products where you really always have to hold it in your hand, and that will make all the difference in the world because you're going to get to see how exactly it is when you open it into a full-on tablet. This is really nice in terms of the way it opens. And the whole idea behind this is when you watch a video on this, it really is amazing in its quality in terms of its lightweight, thinness. It is thinner than even the Z Fold was, this past Z Fold 7, which already was the thinnest foldable. And it actually warns you if you're closing it the wrong way. So there is only biggest open and small single phone. So which means that you have to close it like this to have the front screen right here, or you have to be able to open it like this, so you have the ability right here to have it like that. So either way, in terms of what you have the ability to have it like this, or you can swipe down to your notifications, you can watch a video on here, and it is the entire full screen. So when you watch it, it is an actual full screen. Even if it has those black bars, it really stands out if you zoom into it. So really good in terms of how it is, and it'll actually prevent you from folding it the wrong way. So if you try to fold this way, it'll let you know, no, that is not the right way to fold it. So it is only one way to fold it, and having that for a longer time, you can't do anything when the screen is like this. You have to fold it all the way again to be able to have it set up entirely. So in terms of it, it is about the same screen size as the regular Fold was, where you have it like this. This is a little bit narrower, and that's because this allows you to stick out a little bit longer so that you can grip it when you open. So right here, you can grip it more easily. And they did find that out because on the Z Fold 7, that was a little bit of an issue where if I did not have a case on it, it was harder to open. So on this one, I really had to have a case to grip it to be able to open and close it. On this one, they learned from that, and they were able to actually extend this screen so that you can more easily open it. So we're going to be seeing this more at Unpacked for a launch period. But until then, this is kind of the first look at it, at Samsung's first look at CES. Let me know what you guys think about it in terms of all the features that it has. Would you consider something like this? We obviously don't have a price point for it yet, so that will help determine it. And I wonder what kind of trade-in you'll get for it. In the Korea model, they do have a lot of accessories coming with it. So you have a case, you have chargers, you have all that kind of stuff. Will we see that when it comes to North America? We'll have to wait and see. But I'm very curious to see how this turns out in terms of everything you will get and in terms of the look for it. I really want to see how overall just everything comes together with this. The best thing I will say is if besides viewing photos or videos, when you take them, it is going to be the biggest screen ever to see how the quality is. So that's going to be a definite thing. And you can also do, of course, the preview shot where you look at the other side and they can see what you're looking at too. And then you can even control it if you want to take a really good selfie. You just go like that, bam, and you have it there. Or you can always use the palm feature and take it. And then again, you can always switch back on the front side and then view it here. Or you have a big screen, so why not use it and actually be able to see it in your gallery, being able to actually see your capture view and see everything you have on there. So really big screen to ever show off. I could show this off to my mom for all the photos taken of her grandkids, and she would be quite happy and very easily be able to see it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about the design, about the capability, and what you're interested in. And yeah, it is extremely thin and it's easy to open, close, but we'll have to wait and see just how much people are going to want this bigger screen.
Thank you so much again for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Also, follow us on social media at YouTube Tech Guy, and check out some more great tech videos on your screen right now.